Right, so in just a moment, we're going to be welcoming Austin Daniels, an application scientist for Yokogawa Fluid Imaging Technologies. His work focuses on the applications of flow imaging microscopy and artificial intelligence-driven image analysis tools. Austin has a PhD in chemical and biological engineering from the University of Colorado. And in a couple of seconds, we are going to get things started, and Austin will be taking away with the presentation. Final reminder to ask your questions at any stage during the webinar today. And as soon as the presentation's over in around 35 minutes or so, we'll get to as many as we can in the Q&A. All right, Austin, over to you.
All right, so thank you for that introduction. Today's webinar will provide an overview of flow imaging microscopy, a commonly used particle analysis technique for subvisible particles in biotherapeutic samples. This webinar is meant to provide you with an overview of why particle monitoring is so important in developing safe and effective biotherapeutic drug products, and the role these particles can play in product safety and product quality. We'll talk a little bit about flow imaging microscopy and FlowCam, a little bit about how the technique works, and some of the advantages this technique has over other common particle analysis methods. We'll then conclude talking about some applications for FlowCam technology, including using it to monitor particles in protein formulations, as well as particle monitoring in other types of biotherapeutics. So as that suggests, the way this will go is we will start with an introduction to particle monitoring biopharmaceuticals before talking about FlowCam and flow imaging microscopy and a bit about how it works, then go through its advantages over other particle analysis methods, and then discuss some examples.